Hi besties, today is a very fun vlog because I am hosting a sleepover. I'm hosting a sleepover with 5 people including myself. So yeah, we have a lot to do. Today's Friday and the sleepover is tomorrow on a Saturday night. So yeah, there's a lot on the agenda. For now I've ordered a lot of stuff. Let's quickly go through it. There are a lot of snacks. All of these. Obviously, we need popcorn for a sleepover, so popcorn. We have some green tea. We have some green tea, and this doesn't make sense right now, but it will. Trust. And even more snacks. Also have this lip gloss, which you'll see why I ordered this later. I also got these. These are a healthy alternative to noodles. This is what me and my sister are having for dinner. She's making them right now. Let me show you guys. The kitchen's a mess right now. I have to clean everything up. My sister wants you guys to see her disgusting nails. I've never really vlogged like this, so we'll see how this goes. I also got drinks, of course. These are all zero sugar and they're pink, so bonus points. Right now, I'm gonna be assembling flowers I got. They're so cute. I have 2 vases for 2 very different reasons, you'll see. Let me fill both of these up. Now that I've filled up both of these, let's first start by assembling my favorite vase. Vase weighs, I don't know what it is. I got both of these sticks for INR 280, I guess. Did I get scammed, chat? I don't know. Then I got these filler flowers to put inside. And this is how it looks once it's done. So pretty. Now it's time for something I'm so excited about. Ah! I got lilies. Oh my god, I'm so happy. These are all unbloomed lilies. They're gonna bloom within the span of 4 days. I'm gonna watch them bloom. These were my lilies after 1 week when they were supposed to be fully bloomed. They never bloomed. This guy scammed me so bad. I am so excited in this video about my lilies the entire time. I was just straight up depressed looking at my sad lilies. Anyway, coming back to the video. Let me see if these just fit in this vase. It's a huge one. Oh, nope. These are huge. Let me cut them down. This seems about right. And if you're wondering why I only got 2, these were 200 rupees INR per stick. Yup. Man, I don't know why flowers are so expensive. If they were cheaper, I'd get them every day. I can't wait to watch these bloom. Okay, my dinner is done, all thanks to my amazing sister. So I'm gonna take an eating break and then we'll get back to preparations. Okay, so it is now the very next day and we have a lot to get done. Look at my lilies. This is the update. Here's the update bloom. I can't wait for these to bloom. Anyway, I'm running super late, so we're gonna start on a sleepover craft while talking. I have a lot to update you guys on. The first craft I'm doing is this one. Basically a board with like prizes on it. So it's basically like I'll cover this board with like white chart paper, then I'll add these cups on top. It will look something like this and you can punch to get a prize. So this is where the lip gloss comes in from last night. The lip gloss I ordered, that's the real prize. So it's a lucky draw. Whoever gets the punch and gets the lip gloss, they're the winner, I guess. Everything else is just chocolates. So yeah. I really do hope I get the lip gloss. You guys are just gonna have to watch and see who gets the lip gloss. Also, ignore my messy bed behind because I just woke up and I'm so late. I don't have time to make my bed. A very quick stationery shop haul. You guys remember like those music videos who have these garlands to go along with the garlands? I got 2 tiaras. Oh my god. Got this canvas for my sister. This is unrelated. Got a glue gun for this craft. I got some new paint brushes. My sister got a lot of stickers. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one's my favorite. I got a bunch of pink balloons. They didn't have a good color of pink, but it still works. I am so excited about this one. I got myself acrylic markers. Can't wait to properly use these, like apart from the sleepover. I got two ribbons to tie bows everywhere. I was running out of paint, so I got some paint. Even more paint because if you paint, you know, you can never have enough white paint. White paint always runs out. I got these A3 papers because I'm planning on making popcorn bags. Stay tuned for that. Lastly, these are the glue gun sticks. It's 10 a.m. right now. Let's see how quickly I can get the first craft done. I just realized I forgot to buy chart paper for this to cover this. I am so overstimulated right now. Okay, let's do this. I'm so confused. Okay, so basically, I had this plan ready for the sleepover, right? Yesterday, I told I was out yesterday. I went to the market and I went to some other place as well. I was really tired. In fact, I had a dawat last night, which I skipped, and I felt so bad about that. So I went to sleep.
I didn't go to sleep. I was in my bed procrastinating when I get a late night DM of this bakery in Kolkata. They're like, they wanted to invite me to this event they're having, which is like a coconut painting event. Obviously, I said yes. There's gonna be coconut painting and there's gonna be free food. Why am I gonna say no?
Plus, I can take a +1. So my sister's going with me, my cousin sister.
It's 10:08 right now. I have to leave at 1:30. Before that, I have to complete 3 crafts for the sleepover. That's why I was freaking out. But I'm like so excited for the coconut painting. I'm more excited, like this is my first event opportunity, whatever. I was so nervous to post on Instagram. For what? Because within 5 days of posting, I've gotten 3 DMs.
Please don't put another on me, please. I really like my life right now, please. Oh, we'll see how it is. I'm so nervous as well. Like they said there's gonna be other creators, so I don't know. I'm nervous. That's rude. I just wanted to show you guys these tissues my mom bought me. She knows me so well. I love her so much. Since these are like plastic cups, these are not gonna hold up the price, they're gonna fall. So I'm gonna write all the prices in a chit and I'll give it to my mom and I'll tell her to add that in the cup. So I don't know which one is the lip gloss, so it's fair. This is how it looks. It turned out so cute. We're moving on to the next craft. We're making popcorn bags. Look how cute. I made one and my sister's making one. Hers looks way better. I'll show you in a bit. She's almost done. Here's my sister's popcorn bag, all complete. Hers looks so much better than mine. So yeah, that's done. Let's quickly move on to painting the banner. It's 1:45 right now. We're heading to the venue. We were called at 2 p.m. I got all 3 of the DIYs done and now I'm on the way. Coincidentally, me and my sister, we are both matching. That's insane. We're both wearing the exact same top in different colors. And we did not plan this. I don't think I'll be speaking into the mic over there. I don't know. I'm anxious about this. I've never done anything like this. I'll just take a few clips for you guys and I'll brief you afterwards. I'm back home and oh my god, that was amazing. I did not expect that in the least. That was so fun. I organize these things myself. I call over my friends, I force them to do crafty things like this, to just sit around, eat good food, and paint. I got to do that today for free, and I was invited. Me. It was crazy. Allah Mubarak. Oh my god. I've already done everything for the sleepover. They'll be here in like 3 hours. I still have to set up. But now I'm gonna change out of this. I really loved my outfit today too. Look at my star necklace. For now, I'm gonna change out of this, take a shower, and then sleep. I really, really need sleep. I'm gonna take a 1 hour nap. I could not sleep. I don't know. I'm excited. I could not sleep. I have everyone's on their way. I haven't assembled anything outside, but we're all gonna do it together. It's fine. I'm in my PJs, my favorite bow PJs. For now, my desk is a mess. I have to clean up my entire desk before they arrive. जंप स्केयर कैसे हो सकती है अपने आप को देख के इतना सारा फूड है नहीं हम खुद तो थोड़ा हलिया खराब भी था As you can see, everything turned out exactly as I envisioned it. I'm so happy but so tired. I cannot wait to now just relax. So the next clips you guys are gonna be seeing is without me in it because I'm gonna take off my hijab and everything. But yeah, I'll still try to vlog as much as I can, and I'm just so happy with how everything turned out. Agenda is first we're gonna take a lot of pictures, make reels and stuff with these crowns, these things and all. And then after that, we're gonna snack. After that, we're gonna watch a movie while eating dinner. I forgot to tell you guys, but we're not doing any craft anymore because I am already all crafted out since I was outside today painting coconuts. So yeah. We're about to punch for the prize. Little update, my baby cousin took the Kinder Joy, so we replaced it with Kurkure. Let's see. क्या है दिखाओ तो कैमरा को उठा लो ले लो ओके ले लो क्या बोल रहे आई थिंक लास्ट वाले के लिए स्पिन कर सकते हैं लास्ट Ew!
I'm doing it behalf of my older sister and I'm gonna smash it.
It is. What the hell? What was? That didn't even break.
Yeah, it broke.
क्या है? Oh my god!
She told me the only item she did not want was kurkure and I got her kurkure.
These are the last two prices. Let's do rock, paper, scissors. Aisha's going first. What is it? Milky and Sativa gets the lip gloss. The last person gets the lip gloss. Whoa. Get a light off.
For a weekend, so it's gonna be forever. Or it's gonna go down in vain.
intake because we're healthy like that. Oh, fancy. We're also making popcorn.
मेरा वाले में मत डालिएगा, 2 में डालिए, 1 में मत डालिएगा.
This is the after party. Yup. It's 2:22 a.m. right now. I can usually stay up way past this, but I haven't slept since like the past 3 days. Plus, I've had such a long day. I'm just so ready to sleep.
तो वहाँ तक वो थी, फिर हम लोग ऊपर जब छत में गए देखे कोई नहीं.
Wow.
कम डिस्टेंस है. उस टाइम तक हाउ कैन शी रन अवे? Maybe we saw someone else.
I just got delivered this from this home baker and I'm trying to shoot a reel. I put this up as props, but I don't know how I feel about this. These are real mangoes. We'll see. I'm trying to shoot a reel, and in the midst of all this, I got another package from another home baker. This one has a note inside. I'm gonna cry. This is behind the scenes of the shooting. Hi, it is now the next day. It's a Sunday. The sleepover is finally over. It's around 3:30 p.m. right now. Everybody left and went back home. Today I woke up with such cute gifts. I got a mango testing menu from this one home baker. You guys saw I was making reels for her. And then this another bakery sent me this box of cupcakes. And this cake testing box. I love cake testing videos, those wedding cake testing videos. And now I get to test 4 cakes. I'm so happy. They also sent over 2 notes. Before testing, we're gonna read these.
Hi Zoha, we love your page and your content. We're Ali Makbat, a new bakery here in Kolkata, and we'd love to share our journey with you. We've sent over a special tester box of our handcrafted bakes just for you to enjoy. We hope it brings a little sweetness to your day. Warmly, the 18.
That is so sweet. Stop. What did I do to deserve this? Then there's this another note.
Hi Zoha, we just wanted to send a little note to say how much we truly appreciate you and the incredible work you do. Stop. Building a page takes so much heart, and watching your journey inspires us as we begin our own chapter with Ali Makbat. We are sending you so much love, warmth, and blessings for all your future endeavors. Please know that our kitchen doors. For all your future endeavors, please know that our kitchen doors are always open for you, and we are always here to support you whenever you need a sweet treat or a celebration cake. Thank you for being part of our beginning. With love and respect, the A team.
Stop. This is so cute. Both of these are going in my memory box and they're gonna stay with me forever. This bakery is the first to send me sweet stuff and I'm gonna remember it for the rest of my life. Anyway, enough sappy talk, let's try it. Of course, me and my fat sister are gonna try it together. This is the flavor we're most excited about, the chocolate mousse in the sun. Do you wanna try first? Come. We're gonna hear the review.
It's good.
You heard it here first. It's really good. Bismillah. That is so good. It's really good. Really chocolatey, really fudgy. Anyways, I'm all worn out. I think that's about it for this video. Check out Ali Makbaz, the bakery that sent me these cakes and the cupcakes. And check out the Home Crumb Co. for the best mango desserts. And yeah, I think that's about it. Let me know if you guys want to watch more vlogs or something. See you next time. Bye.